Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term wook. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, wook is a slang term for a hippie or festival goer, often associated with a disheveled appearance. People use it when describing someone who fits this laid back alternative style at concerts or festivals. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Wook first showed up in the 1990s within jam band and festival subcultures. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among music fans and festival communities. Now let's check out how to use Wook in a sentence. Correct example 1. At the music festival, the Wook danced barefoot in the muddy field all night. Correct example 2. I saw a Wook selling glow sticks near the stage last night. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Wook at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Wook right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Wook means a slang term for a hippie or festival goer, often associated with a disheveled appearance. It started in the 1990s jam band scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Wook in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.